Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Clash Royale to your Supercell ID. To connect Clash Royale to your Supercell ID, first of all, open up your Clash Royale game on your mobile device. Once you open it up, you will be able to see this home section, which is pointed in the battle option. Once you're in the screen, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. And in the pop-up, click on Supercell ID option. Now, go ahead and log in with your Supercell ID credentials. Tap on Get Started at the bottom and choose the login option. If you already have a Supercell ID, you can tap on Login to Supercell ID and enter your credentials. If you don't have a Supercell ID, you will need to create one by tapping on Register a Supercell ID option and follow through the prompts. I already have a Supercell ID, so I'm gonna tap on Login to Supercell ID. Click on the Continue button in the pop-up and enter your email address that is associated with Supercell ID. After you do that, click on Login. You will now receive an email verification code sent to your email address that you just entered. Type down the email verification code correctly in the text box, and after typing it down, click on Submit. Now click the connect button once it finds your profile, and you will then be able to connect Clash Royale with Supercell ID. Now you will be able to save your game progress, easily switch between multiple accounts, play on multiple devices without losing progress. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.